The end of Google Maps, Apple's secret AI project, exposed. The supremacy of Google Maps may be threatened by Apple's secret AI-powered mapping project, according to circulating rumors. Here are 7 important details regarding this potential game changer in the field of digital maps, including real-time data integration, augmented reality navigation, and a privacy-first philosophy. Number 7, Apple's AI-powered mapping system. According to rumors, Apple is creating a groundbreaking mapping system that will revolutionize how consumers engage with navigation tools by utilizing state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. Because it uses cutting-edge machine learning algorithms that can handle and analyze enormous volumes of data in real time. This initiative is touted to go well beyond the capabilities of conventional mapping services. For example, by examining past traffic trends, meteorological conditions, and even occasions like sporting events or concerts that may affect road usage, the system could anticipate traffic congestion before it happens. Over time, it might also pick up on user preferences, including preferring less stop routes, staying off of freeways, or giving priority to scenic roads. Apple hopes to develop a navigation experience that is intuitive, personalized, and predictive by incorporating AI into its mapping technology. Google Maps, which has long led the market thanks to its wide global coverage and intuitive interface, may face competition from this. Apple's concentration on AI could allow its mapping system to adapt dynamically to changing situations, delivering a degree of sophistication and precision that existing platforms struggle to attain. Additionally, the system might integrate seamlessly with other Apple services, such as Siri, Calendar, and CarPlay, to provide a cohesive ecosystem experience. Number 6, enhanced real-time data integration. Integrating and processing real-time data from several sources is a key component of Apple's covert AI mapping project. This includes government databases, satellite pictures, weather sensors, traffic cameras, and even reports created by users. For instance, the system might immediately use AI algorithms to assess the situation in the event of a significant traffic accident and redirect people to avoid the impacted region. In a similar vein, the app might recommend better routes or alert drivers to dangerous situations like flooding or slippery roads if it detects an unexpected storm. To deliver even more precise and current information, the system may also integrate data from linked devices, like smart automobiles or Internet of Things sensors. With this degree of real-time integration, Apple's mapping tool may be far more responsive and dynamic than other platforms, giving consumers a navigation experience that seems nearly predictive in its precision. Additionally, context-based data prioritization might be used by the AI to recommend bike-friendly routes for riders or pedestrian-only paths for walkers. Apple might develop a mapping system that not only responds to the situation at hand, but also foresees future developments. By fusing AI with real-time data, providing users with a genuinely cutting-edge navigation tool. Number 5, privacy-centric approach. Apple's AI mapping initiative is firmly rooted in the company's long-standing reputation as a champion of user privacy. Apple's system is built to do the majority of its calculations immediately on the user's device, in contrast to many of its rivals that mostly rely on cloud-based data processing. Sensitive data, like travel habits, location history, and personal preferences, is thus never removed from the user's iPhone, iPad, or other Apple devices. By eliminating cloud storage and reducing data gathering, Apple hopes to shield customers from possible privacy violations or information exploitation. This strategy might be a big selling point for customers who are concerned about their privacy, especially in a time when data security is becoming a bigger issue. Additionally, it fits with Apple's overarching plan to set itself apart from rivals like Google, which have come under fire for their data harvesting methods. Differential privacy approaches, for instance, may be used by Apple's system to guarantee that even aggregated data cannot be linked to specific individuals. Apple may have a considerable competitive advantage thanks to its privacy-focused strategy, particularly with consumers who are hesitant to give big businesses access to their location data. Number 4, augmented reality integration. The use of augmented reality technology into Apple's AI mapping project is among its more inventive features. According to rumors, the system will have augmented reality AR capabilities that employ the user's device's camera to superimpose digital data onto the physical world. Users could, for instance, use their iPhone to look at a street and view real-time virtual arrows, signs, or even 3D landmarks that would direct them to their destination. In complicated settings like congested cities, expansive interior locations like airports and shopping centers, or strange communities where conventional maps can be perplexing, this could be especially helpful. By making it more dynamic and visually appealing, AR navigation may also improve the user experience. For example, if the user passes by eateries or historical landmarks, the system may highlight them to provide more context and information. Apple might develop a mapping application that feels futuristic and user-friendly by fusing AI and AR, thereby raising the bar for digital navigation. This connection may also apply to Apple's allegedly in development AR glasses, which would allow users to navigate hands-free while blending in with their environment. Number 3, competition with Google Maps. Apple's AI-powered mapping system has the potential to seriously disrupt Google Maps, which has long held a dominant position in the navigation business provided it is successful. Google Maps' extensive worldwide coverage, precise data, and intuitive user interface are the main reasons for its success. But Apple's emphasis on AI, real-time updates, and privacy may draw in a sizable user base, especially from those who are already part of the Apple ecosystem. Better tools and features for customers could result from the two tech titans' competition, which could spur innovation in the mapping sector. Google might react, for instance, by strengthening its privacy measures, adding additional real-time data sources, or upgrading its own AI skills. A more unified user experience might also be produced via Apple's mapping system's smooth connection with other Apple services like Siri, Calendar, and CarPlay. In the end, this competition may help consumers by encouraging both businesses to provide more sophisticated and dependable navigation systems. To really compete in this market, Apple will have to overcome Google's considerable advantage in data mapping and user trust. Number 2, potential challenges. Apple's AI mapping effort has a number of serious obstacles in spite of its lofty objectives. Matching the vast volume and precision of Google's mapping data is one of the most difficult challenges. Apple must make sure its system is just as dependable as Google's, which has spent years gathering and improving its global mapping data, particularly in areas with less complete data. The amount of processing power needed for real-time AI processing is another difficulty. Older models might not be able to meet the demands of the new system, even if Apple's most recent devices have strong chips. Additionally, Apple will need to provide a genuinely better experience if it wants to persuade customers to move from a reliable platform like Google Maps to a new system. Any errors in performance, accuracy, or usability could erode user trust and restrict adoption. Additionally, Apple will have to deal with certain problems pertaining to third-party service integration, local government collaborations, and data licensing. These difficulties show how difficult it is to create a mapping system for the future and emphasize how important it is that Apple completes this project perfectly. Number 1, release timeline and speculation. Although Apple has not formally acknowledged the project's existence, industry speculation indicates it might be launched in the upcoming 2 years. The development of important technologies such as AI and AR, as well as the incorporation of real-time data sources, will probably determine the timetable. Given its track record of innovation and its capacity to manage challenging projects like the switch to its own silicon processors, Apple appears to be in a strong position to produce a groundbreaking mapping system. But in the end, how well this initiative is implemented, how many people use it, and how well it handles the difficulties of competing with a well-established behemoth like Google Maps will determine its success. If successful, Apple's AI-powered mapping system could be a significant turning point in the development of digital navigation, providing users with a more immersive, personalized, and privacy-focused experience. The project could also lay the groundwork for future developments like integration with smart city infrastructure or autonomous vehicles, further establishing Apple as a leader in innovation and technology. This technology race is only getting started, so stay tuned for updates. Apple's secret AI mapping effort may change the navigation game, but only time will tell if it can really compete with Google Maps. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.